It's a real pleasure to have gone through this very unique program. It started off as an experiment, and now as we are coming closer to its completion, we can see how it's made a difference to each and every one of our participants in a very multifaceted manner. We've really empowered people on so many dimensions. We've added insights on policy. We've worked on developing their personalities. We've integrated politics and given everyone very good perspectives on gender and ideology. The field visits have been fascinating in terms of our exposure both to ground realities within Bangalore, in high-tech industries, in rural India, in Delhi, in Singapore. And we had a model parliament where people turned out to be natural parliamentarians. And so all these things coming together have given us confidence that this is a program that's here to stay, that will certainly see many more versions and batches, and our pioneers have done a fantastic job of inspiring the rest of us to keep putting in the effort to empower India's women leaders in preparation for a dramatically different tomorrow.
I'm very, very happy today that we have very successfully managed to complete this course. This course has made a noise at the national level. There is not a media which has not reported about the course. Whether it's print media, electronic media, in political circle, just this little thing has made a lot of bubbles, and I think it's very important to acknowledge that. But one thing which is very, very important for all our women to understand: be strong, have patience, and never give up on your commitment.
When I came to know about this course, I thought that how politics can be taught, what is it going to be, how it is going, how this course is going to run and all. I have joined this course only because of the name of IIMB, and that was my motivation. Before coming to this course, I have a very wrong impression that what they are going to teach, how politics can be taught and in a classroom and all. But they have designed the program in a very good manner. All the credit goes to Rajiv Gowda sir.
ये IWIL प्रोग्राम जो है, ये मुझे यहाँ पर मैं आई और मैंने इस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट किया। इस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा, हालांकि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल पहले ही बहुत ऊंचा था, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद उस कॉन्फिडेंस में 2% की वृद्धि और हो गई। और जब आपका विश्वास स्तर बढ़ जाता है तो आप अपने समाज में, अपने क्षेत्र में जो भी कार्य कर रहे होते हैं उसमें आपको करने का और अधिक आप में उतनी क्षमता बढ़ जाती है। तो इस IWIL प्रोग्राम जो है ये मुझे फ्यूचर करियर गोल्स में इस तरह से हेल्प कर सकता है। यहाँ पर आकर मुझे सबसे पहले बात तो जो पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में मेरे मिथ थे, वो मिथ मेरे टूट गए, वो खत्म हो गए।
It has not only just empowered me, but it has enriched me in various ways. The public policy planning nuances that are picked up here, and also the numerous political personalities that I've interacted with, and the brainstorming personality development sessions that I had here. It's not it's a lifetime experience, and I know in my entire life I will not get this experience again.
4 modules that this program looks at are policy expertise, political skills, personal effectiveness, and gender vision and ideology. But in hindsight, I feel from whatever the participants have shared in their exit interviews, it seems that more than political skills and the whole policy perspective, the whole skills that they've gained, the one thing a lot of people had in common was that they've sort of learned to handle conflict. They've sort of learned how to handle different perspectives and be in a group, try to look at how a team which thinks differently, has different ideologies, could still work together in a group. I think those are the softer aspects of this program, and that's a great value add.
I learned many things, observations in Singapore, and like a Gubbi village in Karnataka. Like this, so many places we visited. So I learned many things, policies and political skills and personality development skills and ideology. All these things they covered very nicely in this IWIL program.
Actually, मैं politics में पिछले 10 साल से हूँ. From 2002 onwards. I have been holding positions like chairperson of Panchayat Samiti, Jila Parishad president of Angul Jila Parishad area, and actually ये जो IIM में जो ये कोर्स फ्लोट किया है, इंडिया वुमेन इन लीडरशिप, मैं तो अपना सौभाग्य मानती हूँ कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है यहाँ आने के लिए। और पिछले 2.5 मंथ्स में जो मेरे को नॉलेज मिली है, एक्चुअली पॉलिटिक्स करने का तरीका मैंने ढंग में वो एक रिफाइनमेंट ले आया है। और पॉलिटिक्स को हम जैसे एक लिमिटेड स्पीयर में सोच रहे थे, एक जिला के स्तर में, एक ब्लॉक के स्तर में, ये अभी मेरा चेंज हो गया है। हम अभी एक नेशनल लेवल में सोच पाते हैं, एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल में सोच पाते हैं।
Takeaways, I think, for the participants are one, a certain amount of regional closeness. I think sometimes what happens when you're in your different constituencies or different regions, you lose touch with a person. You know, you become very regionalistic. But I think they've lost that. So I'm glad that that's happened. Two, I see that they're a lot more confident now. So I think confidence is one thing that they definitely are taking away from here. Three, they are definitely a lot more open to opinions, to ideas, to perspectives. I'm just hoping that that they will now see opportunities. Sometimes what happens is all we really need is a change in perspective. So maybe I'm just hoping that from now on they don't see roadblocks, but they see opportunities, and they're able to convert those opportunities into things that will work for them.
जो है यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी तरह से सीखा, फिर उसके बाद में और कैंपेनिंग वगैरह जो है ये सब सीखा। और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो है मेरे लिए पर्सनली जो मेरे ऊपर इम्पैक्ट हुआ, अभी तक मैं सोची थी मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, तो यहाँ पे मुझे एक कहना चाहिए मेरा बिल्डअप हुआ और मुझे यहाँ से वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मिल गया है, एंड आई हैव फॉर्मुलेटेड माय प्रोजेक्ट, और मैं अब जा करके इसको शुरू कर सकती हूँ।
And if I'm in the government, I can appoint a set of my favorite professors and ask them to give this university exemption from the clause that says that these universities have to be operating at least for 20 years in their home countries. I can very well do that. It leaves a huge loophole for corruption. So we can actually count, but in parliament you can't count.
Has exposed me to a larger group of people where I can learn more things, and I have learned many more things regarding economics and cooperative movements, social movements.
33% MLA MPಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದೊಳಗೂ ಅಕ್ಕ ಮಹಾದೇವಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಆದರೂ ಅವರು ಯುದ್ಧ ನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿತರು, ರಾಜನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿತ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
These women will set an example. They will be role models to all those aspiring politicians among women, and perhaps men too, because they know what their job involves. They know what their job involves as potential parliamentarians and legislators. They know what their job involves as CEOs of their constituencies, and most importantly, they know what their job would involve when they are elected representatives of the people, and they are public personalities who are accountable and committed to public purposes.
The best was that we interacted with some real-time, seasoned and very senior politicians, and through their experiences we learned, our experience was enriched. The model parliament that was organized by Swaha and her team was probably the best part of the course, because it actually gave us a feel of being politicians, and I am thankful to Professor Rajiv Gowda and his team, Harveen, Sarah, Ram Prasad, everybody, I did learn a lot here.
Another big thing I feel in hindsight has been that a few people from the remote parts of Karnataka or a few other places across the country, the kind of exposure that they got here was something that they never expected to get anywhere. And the kind of difference it's going to make in their future careers or the kind of learning they are going to use in their practical lives is immense. So even if it's a handful of those people who've gotten this exposure, I think it's a huge thing that we've been able to accomplish through a program of this sort.
Working as part of the Parliament staff, he wrote a report for them on something, things of that sort. So these are all ways of getting into some formal, organized method of interacting with these people.
There have been different modules which have been taught by one of the best brains in the country, amazing faculty from IIMB, JNU, from the social activism arena. And the hope is that they go forward and take this positive notion of politics from turning it into a dirty game into what it actually should be, towards nation building, towards building a new India, a more secure and strong country.
ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಲಿ ನಾವು ದೇಶನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಲಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.